guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am excited, beyond excited, because I got a surprise. Oh my goodness, I got a surprise. Stay tuned. My husband surprised me. I am just about outdone as I don't know what. About 3 months ago, I guess you all may remember, I did 2 videos and I used my daughter's ring light. She had gotten a ring light for herself, and I was just in love with it, and my husband noticed that I was in love with it, and so he at that time purchased a ring light and had been holding on to it, and when I reached 15,000 subscribers, he gave it to me. So this was just a few days ago. I have not unboxed it or anything. I said I have to do an unboxing on camera, but I was so surprised because I know he knew that he overheard, and he sensed my excitement and all that stuff, but I had no idea he was going to be buying me one. I'm just thinking, okay, yeah, I'll get one, soon or whatever, after she goes back to school. And actually, after she went back to school, I won't say forgot about it, but just was like, oh, maybe I don't need it right now. And, this, that, and the other. I could get something else that I really just desperately need. But I really did want this ring light, and he got it for me. So I am excited. I'm going to stop gibbering because that'll make this video too long. But anyway, here it is. This is the Neewer, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Neewer 18-inch ring light. And he had it, he's had it a long time. Like I said, I guess right after Jalen got home, after she got hers, he purchased it, as I understand. And he had it shipped to a co-worker's house. Because I guess he knew I would find it in the house. So, they held on to it for him. And let's see here. Which was so kind to do. He was so kind to do. Because, working from home, I'm at home all the time. And it's kind of hard to hide stuff from me. But he's a good hider. He's a good surprise. He surprises me, all the time with how he has kept something for a long time. So, but I guess by this package being so big, he probably knew he couldn't hide it nowhere that long. All right, so opening up the box. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, we got a case too. Okay, but first, dropping stuff. Hold on. Okay. Here. Come on, Cletus. Just okay, so this is the stand. So I guess it's really tall. But this is the stand, and then this looks like an adjuster. So I guess it goes on top of the stand and holds the ring light up. And then here's another little adjustable piece. So that was in the first box right on the top. Cardboard remnants on it. But that is the carrying case. Oh my goodness. So if I'm going anywhere to transport, to do a video somewhere else, I can put this in my put the thing in here and carry it around, or either just store it in here when I'm not using it. That's nice. Nice. So let's see what this is all about. Because I wasn't even watching Jalen when she set hers up. but she did an unboxing. Okay. So right here, just pulling right out of the top of the case, is another box. Okay. So we have all of this. We have some instructions on how to set it up. All the directions and everything. Put this over here. And so, of course, just unboxing it, I do not know what all this is. So, there. And here is the cord and everything here. Let's see, what is this? Oh, this is the holder for your phone or your camera. And I don't have a camera yet for YouTube. I use my phone. So here is a Bluetooth remote shutter. So that's pretty handy. Oh wow, I'm so excited. I am so excited to get this all set up and everything. These times like these is when I wish Jalen was here so she could set it up for me. She did hers quick. She did hers really quick. And here is the ring light. 18-inch Neewer ring light. It's a funny spelling, and I wonder how you really say it, because it's N-E-E-W-E-R. Neewer. So anyway, there's the ring light. And there. And that is it. That, you guys, is it. It has a nice case with a divider right here, and it has two zipped pockets, one on this side and another zip pocket on this side. So that's pretty neat. That is pretty neat. Oh my goodness. So thank you to my husband. I've already told him thank you. But thank you again. Oh, this was such a big surprise. And so let me go ahead and start trying to get it set up. All right, so first of all, you take the bottom of the tripod out and you loosen it up with this screw here. You're gonna loosen up this little middle piece, twist it towards you, face it towards you and twist it. That makes it real easy to open up this way. You're going to flip it because it was actually upside down, and this is the way the tripod will be sitting. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here. See, it has a silver piece right on top. It looks like a little bit of a screw part up there. Anyway, you're going to loosen this up because this screw is going all the way through, so you're going to loosen it all the way up so that this can fit down on this silver piece here. Okay, and it's going to just snap down, so hopefully you can see that it just snapped right down. And then you're going to tighten it back up so that it fits securely, doesn't wobble or anything like that. Okay, so you're going to loosen this knob over here to allow it to go down. You're going to loosen this one up over here because we're going to put this on top of here. Okay. So now that we have it on top of there, we're going to screw this in, tighten it up on there, and we're going to tighten this up so that this doesn't flop around unless we want to move it. But right now we're going to do it like that, and let me show you what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. All right, guys, so this is called, as if I'm looking at it right on the instructions, is the soft tube, and this is the camera holder right here. So, and these are the little instructions that it comes with. It comes with a big thing of instructions. This is basically the packing list. I'm sorry, the packing list that tells you what each thing is called. And then these are the instructions, but there are so many, sectioned off because it's in so many languages and it's from China. So it's a little, you have to really kind of piece it together. You can do it. It's easy, but you just have to put a little thinking to it. So anyway, this is called the soft tube, and this is the camera holder. So you're going to go ahead and screw this on. Screw the camera holder onto the soft tube. And we're going to put this in. There's a little slot here, and you just slide it in. And you can tighten it up. There's a little ring here under the bottom, and you can tighten it up so it doesn't slide back out. All right, so right here, there's a little ball. You can do it like this, forward, backwards. And right here, there's a little adjuster right there to keep it in place. And you just tighten it so it doesn't go anywhere. So it's fairly easy. It is fairly easy. Just have to kind of play around with it, I guess, like anything else, to get the gist of it. All right, guys, so I just found out, just looking on here again, some of these pieces that I stated what they were not actually that, just because they have the wrong numbers by the wrong things. And I found that out by looking on the picture. But like I said, it's easy to figure out. You just have to put a little thought into it. And so anyway, we're going to get going again with putting these colored, I don't think I need these. This is for a different kind of lighting. I'm going to use these clear ones. And these are called the white and orange color filter set. So I'm going to put the white ones on. And there we go. So I'm going to get the plug, going to get it all connected and kind of show you how I do that also. Okay, so the instructions do not tell you how to put this together, so I am assuming that you put this in this AC adapter, because this is going to connect to here, there's a little, this little thing is hanging from the light, the ring light. Let me show you. It's hanging from the ring light right here. So the way it appears is that this just kind of pushes into there. Okay, so that's connected, and then this seems to be the plug that you put into the outlet. So let's see what it does. Let's see if it do what it do. There's a little switch right here. And when I say these directions or instructions don't tell you nothing, they don't tell you nothing. I just had to look and find the power switch, but as you can see, it came on. There you go. Oh, I am excited. I am excited. I have a ring light. Oh my goodness. So, see, the background now is dark. All right. Oh my goodness, y'all. All right, guys. So here it is all set up. And I love it. I love it. So I'm going to go in a little closer. And this is the, hey, this is the little holder for your smartphone. And here you can adjust it just like that. And come on down here, and this is the little adjuster for here. You can bend this right here, so you can adjust the lighting how you want it. This actually bends. And then I have a whole lot of adjusters right here. So I guess this telescopes up and down, you guys. So that's the bottom. And like I said, guys, this is the power button. And with that button, you can dim it and brighten it. So it goes super duper, oh Lord, super duper bright or low. So that's good. And you can turn it off like that. Thank you, hubby. Okay, so now I have to find out exactly how to use the ring light and get the, the lighting right and all that good stuff. See what these are for. So anyway, got a little bit of researching and studying to do, but I'm excited. So thank you all for coming along for this unboxing. And I did it by myself. Jalen's gonna be proud of me because I usually surely get her help. But anyway, subscribe if you're new here. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Hit that like button if you liked it. I hope that I made sense of the directions for you, but hit that like button. And after you subscribe, click the notification bell so that when I upload, you'll be notified every time I upload right away. All right, guys, so I love you all, and I'll see you right back here next time on Tracie's Place. Bye.